How's it going, YouTube and people of Bakersfield, my future clients? This is Ryan here with QMS. It is a Sunday. I do not work on Sundays, so don't get any ideas. This is a one-time thing, kind of emergency for a real estate agent. But yeah, they're selling the house. Oh man, you can see it. It's a nylon carpet. It's dirty. You can see all the trafficking into there. And of course, on top of being dirty, and it's raining here. Raining in Bakersfield. It's good. We need it. Rare, but we've been getting a lot of rain lately, so I guess I better get used to working in it. So, let's see. There we go. Get the light on here. Yeah, this looks like newer carpet in here. They may have replaced it at one point. Some light going. Still not too bad. This is probably the cleanest room. Looks like the newest carpet, but still has some wear on it. Then the living room, massive living room here. It's probably figure a living room and then probably a formal dining room is how they have it split up. Pretty dirty though. Get these lights turned on to see a little better. But yeah. Spot spills, a lot of organic spots, typical food spills, things like that. So that taken care of there. Nice house, nice layout, bigger than I thought once I got inside. Man, look, I don't know if you can see that. It's just coming down sideways out there. I was going to pull my van inside and work out of the garage, but looks like maintenance guy maybe has some vehicle issues. So looks like I won't be doing that today. All right, and then master bedroom here. At least it was all pre-vacuumed. That's good. I'll still most likely have to use the CRB on it. So this is going to take me a little while. I was hoping to be a smaller job, especially for Sunday afternoon. It's going on 2 o'clock here. And we got the closet. Okay, well, nobody's here right now. I'm going to get everything set up. Preconditioned, CRB. Actually, I'll probably use, because of being older, carpet. If I don't have anything mixed yet, I'll probably mix the Ultra Pack Extreme. These are a nice clean smell, peppermint smell, I believe it is. Everybody seems to like it. Definitely won't use that on any newer carpets for sure, but when it's ground in, old carpet, and you want it to look the best, yeah, you have to bring out the heavy cleaners and break all this grease and oil and organic spots down. So I'll get it going and see you back shortly. you can see, turned out to be a decent day actually. Still working on a Sunday, don't like doing that. But I remember from earlier, you can see how clean and nice everything came out. As well as this area was pretty dingy earlier. Came out looking a whole lot better second clean. So sometimes you have to do two cleans. It's just, can't get around it, just have to do it. Get this place turned off here, and then I'm going to show you how to take care of wax spills. So if you spill a candle wax in your house, this is something you can do. Other carpet cleaners should know this, but they can use this trick as well. There's other tricks you can do, but yeah, look at this master bedroom. Came out good. Look at that sun shining through now. Turned out nice. Some warmth in here. This place is pretty cold. It's been locked up. Like I said, it's a house on the market for sale. So one thing that came out really great is there's actually a patch. You can't even see it now. right. You can see the seam a little bit, but this is actually all new carpet. So you can see how good it actually blended in. Very nice. So you can see the seam just a little bit. If you follow my finger, it comes down right there. So this whole chunk's brand new piece, but it blended in very nicely as a whole. Unless you know it was there, you would miss it. But all right, so here's the trick. First, cotton towel. Make sure it's cotton. C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton. Do not use microfiber or polyester. You will melt it on your iron and it will turn into a goo. You understand that? Okay, so we can see, not sure what's going on here with the paint. It's like they painted over the, I don't know, painters things. Not sure what's going on with that. But literally, I think this stuff had spilled on here. They just painted over it. It's not going to stick. Paint will not stick to that wax. So I don't know what they were thinking. They're going to have a mess there. But that's not my issue. But the wax, so you cover it up. Towel. Make sure the steamer is the old steamer. I got another one on order. Come on. Hopefully it works. There we go. And basically, you'll want to set it right over. And it'll remelt the wax and liquefy it, and the wax will wick up into the towel. Now, a lot of guys don't like doing this because a lot of times it's hard to get that wax back out of the towel. So you pretty much, you got to throw it away sometimes. See? There it is. Already removing. Oh yeah, all the edge too. That's good. That's what I was worried about. But you can do this in your house if you have spilled some candle wax. Just get you your iron, get you a clean cotton towel. Again, cotton towel must be cotton. Repeat. I've heard of people trying to do this and they didn't have a cotton towel. And again, the polyester just melted all. It was a mess. The towel burnt and melted right to this, so you don't want to do that. Yeah, look at it coming out real nice. Get on this edge here. You can smell it. It's one of those scented candles. It's starting to make the room smell pretty good actually right now. It only takes a few seconds. Sometimes you can melt the wax, but when on that edge, the hot water wasn't hitting it, so I couldn't. There was only so much I could do. But getting the iron in there, and when you are on the edge, get the towel flipped up as much as you can there, so it'll protect your baseboard. Again, not sure they painted over this. That was not smart on their part. Whoever did that. Yeah, he's like, you can see the blue underneath all this. Not sure what they were thinking. Look at that. That was all covered with paint. It's never going to stick to that. Ever. Not sure what they're thinking. I think a painter would know that. Who knows? Maybe not. But I'm going to finish getting this wax out. Just a little more right there I want to get. And we'll be done. Look at that beautiful mountain range around us. Look at that. Amazing. I can't look at the phone. I'm just kind of waving it around. So hopefully I'm getting it all in the picture. But look at that. Snow tops up there. I mean, this is beautiful. But we can never see this because of the smog. So just thought I'd film that little cool thing. So, all right, everybody. That's the end of my day. It's Sunday. Heading home to relax a little bit and start the day over again tomorrow. You guys all have a good rest of your weekend.